Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first. Hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly. Vivo finally took the ramps off on their highly anticipated, long-rumored smartphone, the Vivo V9. And as it turns out, all the rumors about this device were true. More specifically, the leaks regarding its design. As what you might already know by now, the Vivo V9 will adopt the Infinix X-like design. Something that we can expect from a lot of upcoming Android smartphones by now. While we're still gearing up for a full review, let us share with you first our first impressions about this new smartphone. With that, we'll start with the unboxing experience. First off, the device's box design is pretty much the same with the Vivo devices before it. It comes with a tall and slim box, which has just the right dimensions to accommodate the actual phone. The product is pictured right on the front, with some of the key features printed on the back. Although I have noticed that the actual material is a bit textured, unlike the usual plain cardboard box that the previous Vivo products have. Opening the top lid reveals a tiny packet that houses the free jelly case and the SIM ejector tool. Right off the bat, it looks like the Vivo V9's packaging was also inspired by the Infinix X. In most Vivo boxes, the device goes first before the packet. But since Apple switched it on the Infinix X, Vivo followed suit. Moving on, at the bottom we have the earpod-like earphones, the micro-USB cable, and the wall adapter. Now, onto the device itself. Well, it goes without saying that this phone is really an Infinix X look-alike, from the notch on top and even the dual cameras on the back that is also in the vertical orientation. But unlike Apple's flagship, the LED flash is separated from the actual camera modules. The Vivo V9's bottom bezels are still noticeably thicker. But on the bright side, the notch on top isn't as large as with the Infinix X. This is because it doesn't have the true depth sensor that the Infinix X has. The notch on the V9 only houses the 24-megapixel front camera, sensors, and earpiece. But basically, that's it for now. The Vivo V9, despite shamefully copying the Infinix X, is turning out to be an interesting device. We are currently in the process of reviewing the Vivo V9, so stay tuned if you're interested in getting to know more about this smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Peace.